The mixing has to be okay and everything. Let's check the taste together. So I wanted to make a hot drink, but we're not going to use this steam. We are not going to steam, but we shall be using the frother manually. That's what we are going to be using. So let's first make the first shot. Our shot stays there. We shall be using 19 grams. This is perfect. Perfect. So let's now go start making our frothing here. Common science is here. We are not going to use the steam for the machine. We are going to do everything manually. So first things first, you put your milk inside. Put your frother. Then you start frothing it. Chiburamu. Exactly. This form can work. So after there, let's make our shot. First there, I want to see the output. From there, we put our milk inside. This is enough. After you put your milk inside, this is espresso. The mixing has to be okay and everything. Let's check the taste together. Yeah. Kasiri warakani, we are good to go.